If you're involved in a car accident in Manhattan, one of the questions you might have is, how long will your case take? Hi, my name is Michael Redenburg, and I'm going to try to help answer that question for you. How long your case takes depends on a lot of different things. First of all, it depends on whether or not liability is clear-cut or whether or not it's going to be an issue. If liability is clear, then the next thing that determines how long your case will take is the severity of your injuries. If your injuries are severe and worth a lot of money, the insurance company may not always be willing to write you a check for the full value of your case so quickly. So the case may need to be litigated rather than settled pre-litigation. Once a case is filed in a Supreme Court throughout the 5 boroughs of the city, the case can take quite a bit of time. Depositions have to be held, discovery has to be done, and motions may be made. Motions are just documents that attorneys file over certain issues. But once those motions are filed, a judge has to rule on those issues, and that takes time. After all discovery and motions are resolved, then your attorney will file a note of issue, also called an NOI for short. After that, the case is placed on the trial calendar. Even after the case is placed on the trial calendar, the defendant may have an opportunity to file what's called a summary judgment motion. That's a motion asking the judge to make a determination that your case should be dismissed based on the law itself. Following this, the case continues on the trial calendar. Now in the Bronx, from the time that you file a note of issue until the time that you actually go to trial, it could be years just because it's so backlogged. Other courts throughout the boroughs are also backed up. So there is not really a definitive answer on how long your case will take. One interesting thing is if your attorney files a note of issue without a request for a jury, it could speed up your case. But practically speaking, that's not always a good strategy. So it's something that you'll want to talk to your attorney about before deciding how to proceed. Again, my name is Michael Redenburg, and if you have more questions about that, you can give me a call.